Welcome back. We'll just quickly review what all we have learned so far. Well, of course, we started by learning about the different parts of the guitar and the different types of the guitar. Then we bought the guitar. We played the open strings, and then we learned the C major scale. We learned the G major scale and some exercises on those major scales. Later on, we started reading music, and so far we have been playing notes in the open position. Open position is where it uses the open strings and are mostly within the first 4 frets of the guitar. And we started reading the music. We got introduced once again to the notes on the first string, then on the second string. We already knew about those notes, but this time how to read them on the staff. We've been practicing some of the songs so that you get your hands on the guitar, so that you have the confidence of playing a song. Now, just to understand the kind of songs that you have played, like I said last time, all the songs so far played are on the C major scale, which means this is your C major scale. All the songs that you have played use the notes that were used in the C major scale. No other new note was used. The other thing is the pitch. You already know it starts with a low C and then it goes higher, the first octave and then the second octave. All right. So using a combination of different pitches and the duration, which is how long the pitch is supposed to sound, is how we play the songs. Alright, so we also got introduced to some chords. We learned about the strumming patterns and the chord progressions. Now we will start, we will continue the primer where we left off, and now we will play the next one, which is called the tied note study in the 3/4 time. Now this one is also a chord accompaniment. It has the melody notes and the chords. So we're going to play both the parts. Let's see if there's any new chord introduced. Well, it's got C, G7, and C again, and C, and F, and G7, and C. So all of these chords you've already learned. About the lesson, nothing new introduced. There are tied notes which you already know about. We have played a lot of exercises or songs which had tied notes. And yes, that is about it. No new note also introduced. So let's play this. The time signature is 3/4, which is waltz timing, which means 3 beats. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now I'll play the chords. 3 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now let's play with the recorded chord accompaniment. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now on the next page it says introducing the new low A note, but we have already introduced it before in the last episode, so you know that the A note is simple. the open string of the 5th string, and the way it is read, well, it is cutting the second ledger line. Let's play on the study on A or the 5th string. 3 1 2 3. My old Kentucky home, simple exercise, nothing new. There are some tied notes which we are aware of, and we are just using the notes on the 5th string, and there are notes from the other strings that we already know of, which is the first 4 strings. The time signature is 4/4, which is 4 beats per measure, the common timing. Let's play this. 4 1 2 3 4.